Hey guys, I will show you how to fix Roblox not working problem on a PS5. In the first step, on the Roblox game, we need to press the option button and select the close game. Once done, select the settings and then choose the users and accounts. Go to the other options on the right side, select the restore licenses and select restore. Wait for a few seconds to complete the process. Once done, just go back and then select network. Before these, we need to select the save data and game app settings, and from the game presets we need to select the performance mode from here. And once done, just select the settings and now go for the network, then select the settings and choose setup internet connection. Press option button on your internet connection and select the Wi-Fi frequency bands and choose automatic from here, and then select the advanced settings. Once we are here, we need to select the DNS settings and change it to manual. If you've selected automatic, then select manual. And from the primary DNS, add here 8.8.8.8, and for the secondary DNS, add 8844. Once done, select OK, complete the reconnection process, and then simply select the settings and choose the system software and select the system software update and settings. Now update your system software using your internet, update this and complete your process, restart your PS5 and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, you're good to go.